So hi and welcome to this another episode with me Arshi और एक और कॉलेज रिव्यू। और इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं सॉइल गुड़गांव के PGDM प्रोग्राम के बारे में। We'll let you have a look at the campus and also we'll interact with the students. So let's find out. Do you have any idea what is the average package of your college?
Yeah, around 10 or 11.
10 or 11.
As by told by others also, it's 10 to 11 and it's totally true.
10.5. It's a median.
10.5.
It's around 10.3.
10.5.
So the average package is going around 11.04.
So hi and welcome to this another episode of me Arshi. I think whenever we look for a B school, we have a lot of parameters to decide that, whether the placements are good, whether the ROI is good, whether the specialization I'm getting into, the opportunities are there, curriculum and so on. So today, to answer all those questions specifically related to PGDM program at Soil Gurgaon, I have Tushar with me who recently got placed, right? So Tushar, before starting my rapid fire questions, I just want you to introduce yourself to the audience so it will be easier for them that what you have done your graduation. You were saying that you have 1 year of experience. Yeah, and over to you.
Sure. So during my graduation, I have done BBA from Galgodias University. Post that, I had a work ex of 1 year in BFSI industry, which is in SDFC Bank. Post that, I have opted to do PGDM for my further studies, and then I have discovered soil. Why I find it different? Because the curriculum it includes liberal arts, design thinking, and everything else. So that is why I've got attracted to soil, and here I have taken marketing as my specialization as a majors and analytics as my minors. And recently I got placed in a federal bank.
And don't take it otherwise. वैसे लड़कों से उनसे उनका पैकेज नहीं पूछना चाहिए, but still हो सकता है कुछ शादी के रिश्ते भी आ जाए. What is the package you've got from engineering?
So I can from
No, federal bank. Yes, federal bank.
okay. So I can tell you the range. It is somewhere between 14 to 15 lakh.
14 to 15 lakh. My first question is, you mentioned that, he was working in BFSI sectors with HDFC.
Yes.
And also, working, he was already working. Why you thought of that MBA is something which is important?
Because I believe while I was working, there's a point of time when I thought doing a further education will help me in my working as well. So even my managers, he also suggested me that you should go for higher studies. Post that you can work and then you'll get a better opportunity and better job role wherever you get. So that's why I've gone for PGT.
But from BFSI to marketing, it's having experience.
And the role which I have in the BFSI is more of a customer interaction role. So from there, I believe that I've then just it comes into marketing and all. So I've opted marketing as my majors, and the current role which I've got in the federal bank is also more of a client facing role. So that helped me one or the other.
My second question which is coming to my mind is, right, that you opted for marketing, right? And जब हम graduation कर रहे होते हैं, we heard more about MBA. PGDM जब हम एग्जाम्स दे देते हैं तब समझ में आता है अच्छा PGDM भी कॉलेजेस कराते हैं. तो you have spent almost 2 years while doing PGDM. आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या डिफरेंस है? हम एक देखते हैं डिफरेंस की प्रैक्टिकल होता है प्रैक्टिकल, बट व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली प्रैक्टिकल मीन्स, व्हाट यू लर्न?
Like the difference between like MBA or PGDM.
Yes.
That's what you asked.
Hmm.
So my sister has done her MBA, so I know the curriculum that have like they have a fixed curriculum, they have fixed books that they have to study. But when it's come to PGDM, I believe it is more of a case studies, real world problems. Like we have solved in a single subject, we have solved more than 10 case studies. So that is the way of the learning in a PGDM course, especially. We are solving Ivy League case studies, the HBR case studies. So these things are very different from normal MBA. Yeah, you get so many case studies as well in the MBA also, but that are not up to dated, or the course you study it is very fixed, it is very rigid. But when it's come to PGDM, the course curriculum changes according to the market conditions and all. So that is a major difference, I believe it has. Sorry.
What was your batch size?
My batch size was 202.
And how much investment you have made?
I have made around 13 to 14 lakhs.
So I think as per your investment, you made ROI.
Yes.
Okay, fine. My next question is, what is the average package of your batch?
Okay, so the current average package is 11.04.
Okay, and the median one?
Median, actually, I don't know what the detail, but it is somewhere around 11 to 12, somewhere between 11 to 12 one.
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.